Hi there, Richard Heine here, and I welcome you to my Hypnotic Lounge Banish Your Anxiety program. First of all, I'd like to thank you for checking out the program. I want to thank you for the trust you've shown by signing up for this program, and it means a lot to me. I appreciate that some people are not very familiar with hypnosis, what it can do, what it is really. So allow me to talk about the program first, and then I'll address hypnosis, what it is, in the next video. Regarding this program, essentially what I did is I took what worked the best during my one-on-one sessions with people who came to me with anxiety issues, and I put it together in a nice and neat little tight package, which is this course. The way I would like you to go about it is listen to the induction every day for the next 30 days for the best results, and you'll be seeing some amazing results very, very quickly. Don't be too hasty seeing results. I invite you to kind of get out of your own way and let things happen, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. It's kind of like growing up. Being hasty about it won't make it faster. It will happen as it should, at just the right pace that's right for you. That's everything I wanted to cover in this video. In the next video, I'll talk more about what hypnosis is. I'll see you there.